That immediately went national and brings up the question of self-defense. 30-year-old Jordan Neely, a Subway performer and Michael Jackson impersonator, was put in a chokehold by 24-year-old Marine veteran Daniel Penny after Neely was allegedly shouting at passengers and aggressively begging for money.
The three main threats that he repeated over and over was, "I'm going to kill you, I'm prepared to go to jail for life, and I'm willing to die."
The chokehold lasted more than 3 minutes, and in a video sent to the press by Penny's lawyer over the weekend, Penny says he wasn't only protecting himself.
I was scared for myself, but I looked around, I saw women and children. He was yelling in their faces, saying these threats.
Penny says his intention wasn't to kill Neely, but rather hold him until police arrived. Neely's death triggered protests around the city by those who saw it as racial injustice. But Penny has his supporters too. His legal defense fund has raised more than $2.8 million. In response to the indictment, the Neely family issued this statement saying, "Daniel Penny's indictment is the right result for the wrong he committed. The grand jury's decision tells our city and our nation that no one is above the law, no matter how much money they raise, no matter what affiliations they claim, and no matter what distorted stories they tell in interviews." A legal expert says it will come down to the jury weighing the use of force.
The prosecutor is going to say there was no deadly force being used by Neely against anyone. On the other side, we're going to see the defense counsel saying that it was proportional, it was reasonable, and it was justified in the circumstances.
And Penny will need to return to court at a later date to be arraigned on this new indictment, which again is currently sealed.